guess who got stuck in here for 30 minutes and 1 hour for being naughty. So he was right there with his mom and dad, and he wasn't paying attention. So he just kind of fell down straight here. So here is hollow. The whole place is hollow. So he just came down, and we had to call the fire department because we could only hear him screeching with his foot. So they came and they just find out that they have to saw through here. So they call a third partner, and he comes to with a saw. So the sawing process took about 30 minutes, and they were here about 1 hour and a half. So they cut here. They could see his head, but I couldn't get out because of this piece of wall. So they chipped it off, as you can see here. And he was stuck in this place for about 1 hour. He wasn't uncomfortable, as I'm seeing by this space, but yeah, it isn't really nice to get stuck here for 1 hour and about half. So yeah, guys, don't leave your cockatiel chicks that are eager to explore your whole house alone. Bye.